This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look at the gold market again. Well guys, as you can see, yesterday gold market has shown relatively anemic price action compared to Forex. Well, and price still knocking in the resistance around 1315 area. Particularly speaking, market has hit this ABCD target right at the 1350 fib resistance. That creates an agreement and creates the significant resistance that could trigger some retracement down. And since we also have discussed the possible upward continuation right to the 1345, even maybe 1350 area, so market could form some kind of the butterfly here or something of that sort. To understand where the market has the power to continue move higher, we need to see how market will respond on intraday supports. So if market will hold above the reasonable support area and will keep chances on the possible upward action, this probably could happen. But if market will show the significant move down here on intraday charts, then probably we should be ready for a downward continuation. Well, today we will get the speech of the Fed Reserve Chairman, Ms. Yellen, in the Congress, and all investors expect to get some hints on the possible rate hiking on the quantitative easing program. Also, the major attention will be attracted to assessment of the Federal Reserve to the current situation in the United States economy, because in the recent time we've got pretty looking data, economy data on the non-farm payrolls, on retail sales, inflation, and so on. It was really positive, and investors hope that Yellen will give some hints on the possible and explain a bit how Federal Reserve assess and treat the current situation in the United States economy. That could shed some light on possible Fed steps in the United States economy. So today's speech probably will be very interesting. And tomorrow, as you know, we also will get the same from the European Central Bank, the rate decision, and probably also some comments on the European economy. So that will be also very significant. Due to these events, market could really show some volatility and also could show the action that will give us the idea what to expect in the nearest future on the gold market. But meantime, you can see market holds very tight right below the resistance, and nothing really significant has happened on the gold market during recent couple of sessions. On the intraday charts, particularly speaking on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that is also, as we said, weekly pivot resistance one area market has hit. It shows the minor bounce. The only pattern that I see right now initially that market could give us, that could be some kind of the ABCD pattern. Conversely, market could form also some minor small butterfly sell here. That's also possible. Right now is on this action, it's very difficult to suggest some different action, but what we should watch for is an area around 1293, 1290 6 area. That's the resistance that I prefer to see. Sorry, that's retracement that I prefer to see. In the case of keeping the bullish chances on the upward continuation. So I prefer to see that market will hold above the weekly and monthly pivot points in this area to keep chances on a possible continuation, because if market will pass deeper to the downside, that will not be very good sign for bullish action on the gold market, mostly because it will significantly change the shape of this minor butterfly pattern. So that will just add more questions rather than answers if market will show very deep retracement. But if market will hold above this support area around 1295, let's call it in such a manner, 1295 area, well, that will keep the chances on the possible upward continuation. Anyway, we should watch for comments of the Yellen and the Congress first, and maybe even to wait for comments and the European Central Bank rate decision. And second, we will start to discuss what to expect on the gold market, because the speech, the comments could shift significantly the situation and could lead to a significant action on the gold market as well. Still, as we have discussed previously, even action to the 1350 area will not totally cancel the bearish sentiment on the longer term charts, because here we have the bearish engulfing pattern on the monthly chart. A bearish stop grabber pattern that suggests in the long-term perspective the taking out of lows around the 1170s. So if even market will show this retracement here, that will probably currently we should treat it as the postponing on the possible starting of the downward action. Only if market will take out of the 14 even area, we could start to speak about the possible long-term reversal and shifting of the sentiment on the bullish side. All action inside of this swing will not shift the long-term sentiment. That's why, despite how deep this retracement will be, that will be just a retracement until market stands inside of the swing. So let's see what will happen. And I think that, and I hope that after the comments of the Federal Reserve Chairwoman, we will get them some more subjects for discussion in the gold market, and maybe market will give us more hints on the possible direction in the nearest future.